Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon cookies. First, you always want a spoon. It's okay if it's dirty, and then just lay it down. You want this kind of this. And then you're going to take your dough. It doesn't matter what dough it is, but we use, where's the packet? Just a second, guys. And this is what we use. If you can't see it, that's kind of problem. I'm going to show you after all of them, I'm going to show you the before and after. First, you want to take your dough and take your spoon. It's okay if it's dirty. Mold it with the spoon. Take it out. It's okay if it didn't really mold. Take your hands and mold it like this. Just keep doing that around it. Which I have this right here that I'm doing it. See? Those. So, yeah. As you know, my mama is there watching me. So after you get it all molded, you want to take your spoon and just carefully scoop some of this open. It's okay if it's frozen because ours is. And after you take some, take the that and then pour it into the inside. And then if you want more, just get more and more and more and more if you want more and more. And then just keep dumping it in like this. And after you have all of it in, it's going to look amazing, but you want to wait for it to get cooked. After that, you want to take it like this and take the outsides and smush it in with it. But you want to make sure the stuff stays in. Like this. I'm doing this right now. There we go. And then after that, you have a fresh cookie. But you want to wait for it to get cooked. So see how I have a crack right there? That's to keep like air out, because when you do it, you want to make sure there's a little hole in every one. Like a scab that you can like see the inside. And then after that, you just keep doing it until you're done. And make sure you can make it different anytime. Bye!